शाइन ऑन विद गीतांजलि। मैं हूँ रेशमा शेट्टी और आज हम आ गए हैं इस सीजन के सबसे स्पेशल एपिसोड में, जहां हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे वेडिंग कलेक्शंस और हम आपको ले चलेंगे एक ज़बरदस्त फैशनेबल राइड पर। इस जर्नी में हमारे साथ होंगे इंडिया के एस डिज़ाइनर्स जो शेयर करेंगे आपके साथ कूल फैशन मंत्रास और अपने लेटेस्ट कलेक्शंस। सबसे पहले चलते हैं सेंसेशनल डिज़ाइनर्स रिद्धि सिद्धि के पास, जो दे रही अपनी क्लाइंट्स को एक कंप्लीट मेकओवर विद ए कलेक्शन सोन श्रृंगार। और इनके कलेक्शन में ऊम्फ ऐड कर रहे हैं इंडिया के लीडिंग ज्वेलरी ब्रांड्स असमी, नक्षत्र, डीडमास एंड मेनी मोर ब्रांड्स फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ गीतांजलि।
Hi. How are you?
Good to see you.
Great to see you.
So long.
Yes. And I need a big favor from you guys.
Anytime.
It's my best friend's wedding.
Okay.
So I need outfits for the main fera, the Sangeet and the reception.
For Sangeet, you could give a nice skirt maybe.
With a jacket?
With a jacket.
Yeah.
And for reception, a nice gown.
Yeah.
And we can team it up with nice jewelry which we have right now for you.
Great. So let's have a look.
Let's go. So I think for Sangeet, we can tell her to wear a nice
dramatic, like a jacket with a...
Yeah, jacket with nice skirt will really work out. I think this really works well. It's a jacket with pleated sleeves, nice brocade jacket, something different, and we'll trim it up with a nice jewelry. And you can wear under that, I think this skirt with a hint of pink and gold.
Wow.
Will look awesome.
It's beautiful.
So let's try this and see how it looks.
All right.
Wow, you look nice.
But something is missing.
Princess needs some jewelry,
Nice
I
jewelry,
think.
yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
I think some nice jarau set.
Yeah, something from Nizam collection
Yeah,
is a
Nizam
good
collection
idea.
will be good.
Lovely.
Great idea.
How about
So
this
we-
uncut diamonds? Let's try.
Try it, yeah. I think it's too big. No?
Yeah.
I love it. I can't wait to see the other two changes now.
Okay.
Next is for Firas. So
I think for Feras, how about something more ornated and embellished like this, you know?
we'll again team this up with a nice jewelry maybe.
I think your personality can pull it off.
Pull it off.
Lovely. So I'll go and try it then.
Wow. You look fantastic.
You look really nice.
I feel so good wearing this.
It's not too traditional, it is eclectic and very modern.
So yeah, I can't wait to get the
Let's
pieces.
get some nice modern jewelry for this.
Yeah.
I think I really like this cluster of necklace. You know, Parvati, this Lucera jewelry is known for its modern designs and unconventional patterns.
It
and I
picks
think
up
it
the
just
whole
picks
look,
up
I
the
feel.
whole look.
Yeah.
I think we should put the earring also
Yes.
because it will complete the look. We have something from Asmi
Oh yes, I think
which will go perfect with this. I
Oh,
think.
lovely.
I think
What
it's
do you
in
think?
perfect
Yeah.
harmony with your necklace.
So let's go for your reception. And
So we have a lot of options in black. I think it's very simple, elegant, with nice
Very pretty,
pleats,
yeah.
everything in self. So I think this works perfectly.
Perfect. I'll go and try
yeah,
this.
just go and try. We'll see how it looks.
Yeah.
Wow, you look fantastic again.
I love the cuts, and I think it's very, even the pleats that goes from here, which gives like a sari
Yeah.
look.
So let's try some nice jewelry with it. Just nice studs and
Yeah.
okay, let's go for this.
I
think this should
really
work.
like this from Nakshatra. I think
yeah,
a cluster of
really
solitaires
stand.
will look really nice.
Now that you've already given me 3 looks, I also wanted to give me another dress for the cocktail
Always a
party.
pleasure.
So this is the garment.
I feel the gold color works best for tonight.
I just can't wait to get into this outfit.
Wow, that fits like a
Wow,
dream.
the
I
color is
love
looking very nice. The gold really
And-
stands well.
And what stands out in this outfit is the sleeve. It's
Yes.
superb.
The look is perfect, though we need some jewelry here, I think.
I think we will just top up the necklace for
Yeah.
this.
Let's go with Asmi. I think they have amazing
Yeah,
modern
very good
designs.
design,
I really like this gold outline earring.
For the bracelet, let's go for the Didamas.
Yes,
personally.
I think the champagne in
Colour.
dress will just
Really goes well with the gold.
Yippee! Thank you, girls.
Anytime.
anything for you. Thanks.
शाइन ऑन विद गीतांजलि में हम लेंगे एक छोटा सा ब्रेक। ब्रेक के बाद वी विल हैव डिजाइनर डुओ सोनम एंड पारस मोदी जो हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे अपनी फैशन सीक्रेट्स और होगा एक और मेस्मराइजिंग मेकओवर का जलवा। तो कहीं जाइएगा नहीं, हम जूम गए और जूम आए ऑन शाइन ऑन विद गीतांजलि।